Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself, Anukumar. I am pursuing laboratory technician. So I'll guide you better now. What is the right nutrition for COVID situation? Nowadays, I noticed that one common point is people not intake right amount of protein in your diet. Protein is extremely important in your COVID prevention diet. When we are constantly living in the fear of getting attacked by an unseen enemy, a virus that is coronavirus, the only things that can keep your body healthy, that is right food, healthy food, protein rich food. One question coming in your mind, that is how much protein, why needed protein. Don't worry, I'll explain you. Protein is a building block of life. It is helps repairing of cell in our body and make new cell. you know Researcher study have also confirmed that deficiency of protein is linked the impaired immune system functions, mainly due to its negative effect on it, the amount of functional immunoglobulins and the gut associated lymphatic organs. You don't understand these lines? Don't worry, I'll explain you. The amount of functional immunoglobulins. Globulins means it's type of protein that prevent antigens. Antigens means harmful germs, bacteria. These are create disease in our human body. Okay, and the gut associated lymphatic tissue. Gut means stomach. Lymphatic tissue just act as a antibody. Layer of stomach. Okay, layer of stomach present lymphatic tissue that are prevent antigens. Okay, and one point clearly notice that less intake of protein will make our body more prone to attack from coronavirus and some other viral disease like influenza. Okay, one question keep in your mind is how much protein are required in our human body. The average ideally 0.8 gram of proteins are required per kilogram of your body weight. An adult men are required 50 gram of proteins in every day. Okay, next question is what is rich sources of proteins? Basically, proteins is found in animals like chicken, mutton, fish, and some dairy product is milk and paneers, and some various types of plant product is nuts, beans, lentils, and whole grains. In this session, I learned one point is I must intake right amount of proteins. Okay? Some exercise become a study hard. I wish you all the very best and have a nice day.